Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering the phone off to avoid shorts. Remove SIM and memory cards so they don't get damaged. Next, make sure you're grounded with an ESD strap and set the device on a clean, flat surface under good light. Once done, use the correct screwdriver to remove visible screws. Keep them organized in a tray. Make small notes about screw locations so reassembly is straightforward. And prepare a plastic pry tool to begin opening the case without scratching or cracking. Now you'll open the case carefully. Insert the plastic pry tool into the seam and work around clips. Patience prevents breaks. Once the rear is loose, remove any shields or brackets hiding the battery connector so you can see the cable and plug. Then, using a plastic tool or finger, gently lift the battery connector straight up to disconnect it. This isolates power and prevents current flow. Make a quick photo of the connector orientation so you remember how to reconnect the cable later. With the connector detached, check if the battery is glued. If so, briefly heat the back to about 45 to 60 degrees Celsius to soften adhesive. Do not overheat. Use a plastic pull tab or pry tool to lift the battery slowly from one side, keeping clear of sharp tools to avoid puncture. Once removed, place the new or serviced battery in position, reconnect the connector, and power on to confirm operation before sealing the case. If the phone won't power, recheck connector seating and screw placements.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.